Ministry of Education abolishes no detention policy. Students failing in classes 5 and 8 will be retained, with opportunity to retake examination. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attends passing out parade of the 10th and 11th IRB graduates, urges unity and peace restoration across the state. State government orders magisterial inquiry into Jirbam CRPF post attack. Seeks public's cooperation for evidence submission. Naga bodies in Manipur condemn physical assault on Senapati District Students Association executives by Kuki volunteers. Demand accountability. Protests intensified across Valley districts demanding justice for slain village volunteer and release of arrested volunteers. State government warns of temporary water level fluctuations and increased vehicular traffic due to coffer dam construction across Imphal and Sekmai rivers. And Manipur extends its supremacy in women's football by securing a 1-0 victory over Odisha to win the Senior Women's National Football Championship for the 23rd time. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Shaina, giving you the news in detail. In a significant move, the Union Education Ministry has decided to abolish the no detention policy. Speaking at a press briefing today, Secretary of the Education Ministry, Sanjay Kumar, announced that students failing the annual examination in classes 5 and 8 will not be promoted. However, those who fail will be given a chance to retake the exam within 2 months. If they fail again, they will not be allowed to move to the next grade. The Secretary clarified that schools will not expel students until the 8th grade. This decision, according to Kumar, aims to improve the learning outcomes of children across the country.
हम लोगों ने ये निर्णय लिया है कि 5वीं में और 8वीं में हर प्रयास करने के पश्चात यदि डिटेंशन करने की आवश्यकता पड़े तो डिटेन किया जाए, लेकिन उसमें यह भी प्रावधान किया गया है कि 8वीं कक्षा तक किसी भी बच्चे को हमारे स्कूलों से निष्कासित नहीं किया जाए। तो हम एक्सेस तो चाहते हैं, लेकिन राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति के तहत हम ये भी चाहते हैं कि हर बच्चे का लर्निंग आउटकम कहीं बेहतर हो, उम्दा हो, और इसको प्रयास में लाने के लिए वैसे बच्चों के लिए जो पढ़ाई में शायद किसी कारणवश उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं, उस पर विशेष ध्यान भी दिया जा सकेगा। और ये रूल्स में जो बदलाव लाए गए हैं, इससे ये संभव हो सकेगा। तो मैं समझता हूं इससे हमारे सभी बच्चों के लर्निंग आउटकम्स को हम बेहतर बना पाने में सफल हो पाएंगे।
The passing out parades of the 10th and 11th Indian Reserve Battalion IRB graduates who have been undergoing training at Lachhit Barpukwan Police Academy in Dargawan, Assam was held today at the Academy's ground. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, along with MP Lesem Bachana Jauba, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, and top state police officials chartered a flight from Imphal Airport to Jorat this morning to attend the ceremony. The training in Assam was facilitated with the full cooperation of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Assam Director General of Police GP Singh after Chief Minister Biren requested the Assam Chief Minister for the same owing to unrest situation in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh addressed newly inducted personnel of the 10th and 11th Indian Reserve Battalion IRB, urging them to promote love and unity among communities as they had experienced during their training in Assam. He emphasized the importance of harmony, especially in light of the current challenges in Manipur. The Chief Minister shared that the government plans to deploy personnel from diverse communities across the state, reinforcing the idea that once in uniform, they are soldiers of the nation. He expressed confidence that the newly trained personnel would play a vital role in restoring peace and normalcy in Manipur, highlighting their significant contribution to maintaining law and order. Biren Singh also conveyed that the new recruitment was initiated to ensure better security along Manipur's national highways, which have seen numerous incidents in recent years. On the occasion of Kishan Divas, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh expressed heartfelt gratitude and respect for the farmers who are the backbone of the nation. In a message shared on the social media platform X, he honored the hard work, dedication, and resilience of farmers, acknowledging their crucial role in the country's progress. He urged everyone to pledge their support to farmers by ensuring they receive the resources and opportunities they deserve. The state government has instructed the Additional District Magistrate ADM of Jiribam District to conduct a magisterial inquiry into the attack on a CRPF post located at Jakurador, Karong, and the Borobekra police station by armed militants on November 11. The attack led to several charges, including sections related to conspiracy, assault, and unlawful activities under the Arms Act. The inquiry, mandated by the Home Department's order, will focus on several key areas, including determining the facts and circumstances surrounding the incident, assessing any security lapses or coordination issues among security agencies, understanding the militants' motives, and suggesting measures to prevent similar incidents in the future. The Additional District Magistrate, Jiribam, has announced that the inquiry will be conducted in his courtroom. Individuals wishing to present oral evidence or submit documents related to the inquiry have been asked to submit their details, including name, address, age, occupation, contact information, and the reasons for providing evidence. Submissions must be made to the ADM's office by January 10th. Stating that no further requests will be entertained after the deadline, the ADM D.H. Manoranjan Singh has urged all interested parties to cooperate and provide relevant information during the inquiry process. In connection with an incident that occurred on October 1st, where unknown armed miscreants threatened and forcibly snatched away an SUV Fortuner from a civilian in Imphal West District, a combined team of security forces has raided a house in Uripok Sorbontingel, Imphal West District. According to police report, the raid was carried out at the residence of an AD member identified as Asem Kanan Singh, age 50 years, after confirming that the stolen vehicle was used by him and his associates. However, Asem Kanan Singh and his associates were not found at the location during the raid. During the operation, security forces seized several items from the residence, including a DVD machine for a CCTV camera, a four-wheeler vehicle I-20, 3 olive green bags, a yellow life jacket marked as SDRF, an air gun marked as Hurricane MOD 18, and 2 black ballistic protection jackets with metal plates. Police have indicated that further investigation into the matter is ongoing and efforts to locate the accused and his associates continue. Manipur police have arrested one active cadre of the proscribed group Pripak, identified as Kumbongmayum Abhijit Singh, aged 26 years, a resident of Irengban, Mairenban Maninglaikai, Kakching district. The arrest was made in the Kakching Chumnang area, Kakching, during a routine security operation. The arrested individuals is currently in police custody and further investigation is underway. In a continuous effort towards strengthening security and curbing insurgent activities, security forces uncovered a significant cache of weapons and ammunition during search operations in the fringe areas of Imphal West and Kangpokpi districts. From the Phayeng Porom Hill, they seized 11 live rounds of SLR ammunition, 1 SLR magazine, 66 empty SLR cartridges, and a radio set's battery and antenna. In the K Songlun area, the forces recovered a misfired AK round, 102 empty AK cartridges, 2 SLR empty cartridges, a 12-bore cartridge, and a locally made bomb. Officials of the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited (MSPDCL) have successfully conducted a drive against power theft in the IED-1 and IED-3 division areas today. During the operation, 4 illegal connections were identified and arrested. According to MSPDCL, the illegal connections were found in the IED-1 division area, 1 connection, and the IED-3 division area, 3 connections. Additionally, 2 other consumers were disconnected services due to the long pending fees. The company has warned consumers of the strict actions being taken against power theft, including fines and disconnection of services for violators. Various Naga bodies in Manipur condemned the physical assault on the Senapati District Students Association (SDSA) executives that occurred on December 22nd at around 9 p.m. at the Gamgi 5 Kuki checkpost. The student leaders who were on official duty were brutally attacked and harassed by Kuki volunteers stationed at the post. Despite repeatedly identifying themselves as members of the SDSA, the students were subjected to physical violence and verbal abuse. In a statement, the Senapati District Students Association (SDSA) expressed strong condemnation of the assault, calling it an unacceptable act that undermines the spirit of unity and cooperation. The association also questioned the vandalism of their official vehicle, which displayed the SDSA nameplate, and raised concerns over the violation of previous memorandums of understanding signed between the NPO and COTU, which were meant to promote mutual respect and coexistence. The SDSA further declared that it will not remain silent in the face of such atrocities and warned that any escalation of the situation would hold the perpetrators' community responsible. The association reiterated its commitment to peacefully advocating for the rights and welfare of students and youth while calling for accountability and respect for dialogue and peaceful resolution. The bodies which condemn the incidents are the Senapati District Women's Association Manipur, Naga People's Organization, Mao Students Union, Paumai Naga Shidaumai Mi, and Romai Naga Students Organization Manipur, Maram Students Union, Naga Students Union Chandal, Tangkhul, Katamnao Saklong, Senapati, Action Committee, Senapati. Demanding justice for the village volunteer killed in an alleged encounter at Salungpam and the unconditional release of 6 other volunteers who were arrested. Women in Jiribam staged a sit-in protest at Samu Punbi Kaithel in Jiribam district today. The protest was organized under the aegis of IPSA, SWA, Jimwak, KSA, and Kangleicha Club, Jiribam. The women also raised their voices calling for the repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Manipur. Speaking to media, women's leader KH Janki Devi strongly condemned alleged atrocities committed by the police commandos against the village volunteers. She stated that such actions should instead be directed at narco-terrorists, not innocent villagers. Janki Devi called on the government to ensure justice for the slain village volunteer and the unconditional release of the other 6 arrested volunteers. Echoing the same sentiments and demands regarding the alleged encounter of a village volunteer at Salungpham and the unconditional release of the 6 others arrested, massive sit-in protests were staged at various locations in Imphal East and Imphal West districts today. The protests were organized by local Mairapaibi groups and clubs in collaboration with civil society organizations. One such protest was held at Kiamgai in Imphal East, organized by the Peace and Integrity Committee Kiamgai in collaboration with the Kangleipak Students Association KSA. The protesters also demanded the repeal of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act from Manipur. One of the protesters, Moirangthem Sobita, expressed frustration with the government's alleged atrocities against the village volunteers. She called on the government to direct similar actions toward narco-terrorists who she described as a real threat and enemy.
mayamna namjalla thambagi mawongje khudakta lepiyu irang sigi namada mayam puna mok mangan daga icha masim tahanbadi manipura leiriba mafam kudingmaktagi mama hoi puna magna manipur government gi mafamda amadi india government gi mafamda akan ba khongjang haibase samchin lakani haibasima ngasigi mifam asiga mari leinana ayangna paudam masima tang thamjari.
The Apunba Lakshmi Bajar Mairapaibi, together with the Top Sifai, Lei Shangkong Top Upopi, and Fibo Mairapaibi groups staged a sit-in protest at Lakshmi Bajar today, demanding justice for the slain village volunteers. They called for the immediate dismissal of the police commando personnel allegedly involved in the encounter. In a show of solidarity, volunteers from the Mayang Imphal Apunba Mairapaibi, in collaboration with the Kangleipak Students Association and the Mayay Lambi Journal Council, also held a demonstration at Mayang Imphal Kaithel, raising various slogans in support of their cause. The government of Manipur, through the Water Resources Department, has issued 2 public notices regarding the construction of coffer dams across the Imphal and Sekmai rivers. These projects are part of the ongoing dam rehabilitation and improvement project DRIP 2 and 3, funded by the World Bank. According to the notification, a coffer dam will be constructed upstream of the Imphal barrage across the Imphal River. The project is vital for the rehabilitation of the Imphal barrage. Similarly, another coffer dam will be built upstream of the Sekmai barrage, which is essential for inspecting the bed floor and sides of the Sekmai barrage. The department has warned that the construction work might cause temporary water level fluctuations in the affected areas. This may impact water supply schemes located between the respective coffer dams and the barrages which rely on water from the rivers. Furthermore, An increase in vehicular traffic in the project areas is expected due to the movement of construction equipment and materials. The Water Resources Department has expressed regret for any inconvenience caused to commuters to local residents during the construction period. However, they assured that efforts will be made to minimize disruptions and expedite the process. They have requested the cooperation and understanding of the public and all stakeholders involved. A massive fire broke out this evening at a building at Mahabali, close to Hapta Kangjibung in Imphal East. The fire quickly spread, engulfing the structure before local authorities and the Manipur Fire Service team rushed to the scene. Firefighters worked diligently to control the blaze, eventually bringing it under control. Fortunately, no casualties have been reported as of now. The cause of the fire is still under investigation, although it is suspected that a short circuit may have triggered the incident. The extent of the damage is yet to be determined, but initial estimates suggest that the losses could amount to several lakhs, while authorities are continuing to assess the situation. A statue commemorating Maharaj Gambhir Singh, Maidingu Narasingh and their companions was unveiled today at the Manipur Levy Ground in Chandrapur, Binakandi, located in Kasar, Assam. The event was graced by the blood kin of Bir Tikendrajit, former rebel Ningthemcha Snayaima, also known as R.K. Megan, who had the honor of unveiling the statues. This momentous occasion was jointly organized by the Maharaj Memorial Committee, Chandrapur, the United People's Front, Manipur, UPF, the Manipuri Youth Front of Assam, MYFA, and Hingminasi, Manipur. The unveiling ceremony was marked by the participation of various leaders from civil society organizations who expressed their admiration and respect for the historical figures being honored. Speaking at the event, MYFA Chief Advisor Seram Herajit highlighted the significance of the statues, stating that the contributions of Maharaj Gambhir Singh and Maidingu Narasingh were pivotal in shaping the history and identity of the Manipuri people. He stressed the importance of preserving the legacy of these great leaders and their sacrifices for future generations. A team from the Manipur branch of the Indian Red Cross Society IRCS has departed for Punjab to participate in the National Youth Exchange Program scheduled to take place from December 24 to 29 at BBK DAV College, Amritsar. The Youth Red Cross team left from Bir Tikendrajit International Airport with IRCS Manipur State Branch Chairman Narendra Ningomba, Vice Chairman Dr. Laishram Manglem and General Secretary Athopam Nabachandra, bidding them farewell. The team comprises 4 officials and 11 Youth Red Cross volunteer competitors. They will represent Manipur in various academic and non-academic competitions such as dance, folk music, quiz, recitation, and cultural performances, competing against participants from other states and union territories of India. Before their departure, a stand-off program was held 2 days back at the IRCS Manipur State Branch office located at MG Avenue. During the program, the chairman expressed his confidence in the team, highlighting Manipur's past achievements, including multiple gold medals in folk dance and music competitions, as well as victories in team events. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman Narendra Ningomba stated that it is believed this year too, Manipur will make the state proud by winning accolades and securing the team championship titles.
Handak Japki Amritsarda Pangtokadoriba National Youth Exchange Program da Manipurgi Junior Red Cross ki team masisu akoi saru yagadori ado team masi akoi hojik satna namgi damakta akoi je hojik thorang tobron loire akoi keno khudimokta akoi competition khudimokta saru yagani both academic and the non academic madugi damakta akoi prepare tawdana sasei ado mayam punamakta Manipurgi nuksijaraba miyam sing punamakki mafamdagi akoi na phigau sana nijari imalebak Manipuri damakta akoi na mention urong purukpang ambo oijage agi isa sing akoi mayam sing sina JRC mayam sing sina makoi gi leijaba painting da recitation da aduga akoi written quiz da dance da isai da makal mathel kaya da ulugudu thorum sing thengnarugudu mayam sing si atopa India gi state mayam sing sidagi akoi ne hena achouba mai pakwa warakna team champion do oijarke leibak miyam punamaki mafamdagi mamaliam laba wish adu phigau sana nijari aduga aikoi halakpa matamda mayamna su yamna wakal nungaina aikoi bu ngaibiramu aibu wafam asi mayamda thamjari.
Speaker of the Manipur Legislative Assembly, T.H. Satyabharta Singh, extended his heartfelt wishes to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Christmas Festival 2024. In his message, he expressed his belief that the festival would bring peace and prosperity to the state. He hoped that the teachings of Lord Jesus would inspire love, unity, and harmony among all people. The speaker encouraged everyone to set aside ill wills and animosity, striving to create a prosperous and peaceful state with the spirit of Christmas. He concluded by offering his blessings for the grand success of the Christmas celebrations. The Federation of Civil Society Organizations, FOCS Manipur, have also extended Christmas greetings to the Christian communities and the people of Manipur, wishing peace, unity, and harmony during the festive season. In a press release, FOCS emphasized the message of love and renewal, urging everyone to follow the teachings of Jesus Christ for a peaceful and just society, condemning the rising instances of illegal activities along the India-Myanmar border, which have contributed to regional instability. The FOCS appealed to all communities to join forces in addressing these issues and to strive for sustainable peace and stability in the region. Manipur's near monotonous monopoly over the Senior Women's National Football Championship remained uninterrupted when they defeated Odisha 1-0 in the final of the Rajmata Jijabai Trophy at the Ramakrishna Mission Ashram ground today. After a barren first half, defending champions Manipur made sure of taking home the trophy for the 23rd time out of the 29 editions played so far, when striker Asem Roja Devi booted in the winner through a jungle of legs of a corner kick in the 55th minute. Odisha once more had to stay content with the runners-up trophy, as it was their 6th defeat in the 7 finals, all against the ultimate champions Manipur. In a message shared on his social media handles, Chief Minister Biren Singh congratulated the team, celebrating their triumph. He expressed that Manipur's victory has brought immense pride to the state and served as an inspiration to the aspiring athletes across the country. The Ball Badminton Association Manipur has announced the organization of a trial-cum selection process for players wishing to participate in the 69th Junior National Ball Badminton Championship for boys and girls. The championship will be held at Deogram, Taluka, Narkher, Nagpur District, Maharashtra from January 17 to 21st of 2025. According to the association, all affiliated institutions, clubs, and units have been informed to send their players for the trial-cum selection, which will take place at the Nelit Basketball Stadium in Akampat, Imphal, from December 24 to 27, starting at 6:30 a.m. daily. Players born on or after January 2, 2005 will be eligible to compete in the championship. The association has clarified that players who fail to report within the specified time will not be considered for selection. For further details, players and interested parties have been advised to contact S. Surendra Singh at BRAM with the contact number 93664-90546. Once again, the number is 93664-90546. Before we end, headlines once again. Ministry of Education abolishes no detention policy. Students failing in classes 5 and 8 will be retained with opportunity to retake examination. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attends passing out parade of the 10th and 11th IRB graduates, urges unity and peace restoration across the state. State government orders magisterial inquiry into Jiribam CRPF post attack, seeks public cooperation for evidence submission. Naga bodies in Manipur condemn physical assault on Senapati District Students Association executives by Kuki volunteers, demand accountability. Protests intensified across Valley districts demanding justice for slain village volunteer and release of arrested volunteers. State government warns of temporary water level fluctuations and increased vehicular traffic due to Kofar Dam construction across Imphal and Sekmai rivers. And Manipur extends its supremacy in women's football by securing a 1-0 victory over Odisha to win the Senior Women's National Football Championship for the 23rd time. That's all we have in this bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.